Well, hi everybody, Ray Wood here for Jigglar, and today we're going to take a look at the updated version of the 10 Reasons People Choose Me flyer. Now this is a landscape flyer. I think it's 8 by 11 US size or an A4 size, created as basically as a letter size. Now you can add a second page at the back, and if you're going to do that, I'd suggest you use testimonials. Now we've tested this and we've found this particular layout to be very, very popular. You'll notice it doesn't say a lot about the fact that you're a real estate agent, but it's working, so we figure people are working that out, and we don't need to drum it in. So it's another approach. It's nice and fresh. To find it is really easy. Log into your Jigglar account, and when you log into your Jigglar account, you see all the latest jiggles that we've been creating, and they are all listed here. And all you need to do to get this one is just in your search window up the top here, just type 10 reasons, click enter on your keyboard, and up it comes. So I have grabbed that, or there's the page there, I have grabbed that here, and making changes obviously super easy. You can style it up to create. So if I want to, let's see if I want to do my agency colors here. Okay, let's try that. And there it is. Okay, so it's just quickly changed to those colors, which I think are EXP colors. In any case, that's what's happening there. Now, just obviously make sure that you read through each of these and that they apply. If they don't apply, just simply think of something else that actually works in your favor. For example, number 10, you may not be a family business. You might be a solo operator, in which case you can say that, you know, you've got an established real estate career for so long, or whatever it might be. All you need to put in there is a sentence. The promise up here, I think, is the whole idea with this flyer and why it works is that people actually close in on the heading. And it's designed that way with a simple call to action, your logo, so you can get it out. Now, you can use this as a letter drop flyer. You could actually use it as a social media post if you want to. You could use it as a mail out to your database. You could use it anywhere you want. So that's basically it. You don't need to spend a lot of time setting it up. As with most templates in Jigglar, you can jump in and get everything sorted very, very quickly. So that's the scoop. Dream big, take names, and happy jiggling.